Hi guys, how are you doing today? So today I'm gonna make Jamaican curry fritters with some cabbage. I already started the cabbage. All I put in the cabbage is garlic, onion, black pepper, seasoned salt, and salt. That's all. So now I'm gonna add the carrot to the cabbage. Okay, mix it around. This is gonna be a simple meal today, guys. Nothing too big, just something simple. Okay. So now I have the flour here. So I'm gonna add some onions. I love onions in my fritters. Okay, so I'm gonna add that. Mix it around. Add some salt. Add the curry. You could add saltfish if you want, but I don't want saltfish in mine today. I just want it to be simple. Some black pepper. Okay. And we're gonna mix it around. Just mix it around, mix it around. And I'm gonna come back in 2 minutes. That's the cabbage with the carrot. 2 minutes, guys. Okay guys, so we're back, and all I did to this dough, I add like water. I added water to it, and now it's like this. So the cabbage and the carrot is finished cooking. So you don't want to cook it too soft, you know what I mean? So that's good enough. So let's test try. Oh, it's ready. Okay, so all you're gonna do is put the fritters in there, and you could use olive oils, guys, vegetable oil, whatever oil, but olive oil is good to use. As I said, you could use saltfish if you want. And I just put a paper on a plate to kind of suck up the oil a little bit, because the pot was the frying pan was preheated, so you don't want the stove to be very high. About halfway. And this is just an easy meal. Like you don't have to cook like chicken and oxtail and all that food every day, you know, especially if you're working. You don't have time to do all that. So this is a simple, easy meal to do. This is like a 15 minutes meal. You can just do. Very easy. And keep turning. There you go. As I said, you can use olive oil, which is super good. So yeah. And here's the cabbage and carrot. I didn't use tomato today. I didn't feel like I want tomato in my cabbage, so I use garlic, onion, carrot, and the cabbage with some black pepper, seasoned salt. I don't use too much seasons, guys, so you won't see me cooking with a lot of season. So this should be ready in like 5 minutes, so I'm gonna come back in like exactly 2 minutes. Okay, so guys, is my camera focused? Okay, so here's the 5 fritters with cabbage and carrots. I didn't add tomato, and this is a Jamaican pepper because I love my Jamaican pepper, you know. And all I'm having it with a glass of water. I don't feel like to drink juice today, so I'm having some ice cube with water and my Jamaican curry fritters with cabbage and carrot and my Jamaican pepper. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, tell your friends about me. My YouTube page is Kelly Watson. Very easy to find. I look forward for more people to subscribe to my YouTube, and this was a very easy meal, very easy meal, like 15 minutes and you're done. So continue watching what I'm cooking, maybe every day or every other day, depends, because I'm working on all that. So I love you guys, and please like. All right, love you. Mwah.